you see that bell.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Who You With here, and I'm coming back to you with a new video. This is part 2 of the business of makeup, and this is going to focus on how to build your kit. So I find that a lot of makeup artists who are starting out or aspiring makeup artists, they always have the question of, oh my gosh, I know how to do makeup. I want to do makeup. I want to start building my career, building my business, but I don't know how to build my kit. It's so much money. So I'm going to give you a few tips just to help you build your kit. So first off, I spoke in the first part of the series briefly about going to school. So if you had the option of going to school or you plan on going to school, you can actually start building your kit by, when you purchase your enrollment, your kit, they start you off with a starter kit. And that's usually included in your tuition, so that's already paid for. And that's perfect because you get everything you need. It's already a pre-made kit with most of the essentials, if not all, that you would need. And most of the time, everything in your starter kit from your beauty school also has everything, and so it is also cheaper than buying those individual products by yourself. You will save hundreds of dollars. So when you enroll in school and you have completed that particular course or you become licensed, you will receive a completion certificate for your graduation. So upon completion, you also will have your student ID if you didn't already have it, and you can use that to apply to many different cosmetic companies' discount programs. And listen to me closely. These discount programs are for you as makeup artists, as aspiring makeup artists. If you are licensed or you have a certificate, these are for you to get on some companies 25, 30, 40, 50% off. Sometimes they have multiple sales. And there are many different cosmetic companies, just to name a few. MAC has their pro discount program, also Camera Ready Cosmetics. If you want to go to more higher end later on, Kevin Aquan, I believe Makeup Forever. There are so many different companies, and you have to use these resources because they are there for you. And it puts a less stress on your pockets. It will help you out in the long run. So starting out when building your kit, whether you went to school, you want to be smart with your money and you want to budget. So when starting out building your kit, I would say budget for about $500. And that, I'm not saying that you can get everything that you dream of wanting in your kit with $500. That is impossible. But to start out, that is a perfect number. You do not want to go broke trying to put everything in your kit. Starting out, you can also start with buying things that are a little bit less expensive, and you have to be select and choosy with what you spend more money on. Like, as far as like, a lot of your drugstore products are amazing. There are so many drugstore brands out here, such as Maybelline, L'Oreal, Black Opal, that will help you in starting your kit. And you will find later on when you start using more expensive products that those products beat out those products hands down. There is no rule to how to build your kit or building your kit. You don't want to be on a job or looking at YouTube or social media and you're seeing these different artists and they have like these expensive products. Never compare your kit to someone else's, because you never know what their story is. You never know how they got those products. They could have gotten them for free. They could have gotten a discount. They could have budgeted money over time to buy those products. And you're welcome to do that as long as you can afford it. You don't want to go broke and do too much and spend too much money when starting to build your kit. Your kit is supposed to and will evolve with you as you go on in your career. Trying to get the latest and greatest products because of social media. Social media, you have to remember, is a marketing tool for a lot of different things. And especially for in the beauty community, you will see so many things and it will make you want to run to Sephora or run to MAC or run online and just buy up a whole bunch of stuff. But you have to, key is you have to make sure that you're paying attention to your technique and your skill. Whether you have expensive products or not, your technique and your skill will overpower the products. And then your clients will trust you with whatever you use on your face because they see the quality of your technique, your professionalism. You want to make sure that when building your kit that you have a variety of products, meaning you have a variety of things that can cater to anyone, any age, any skin tone, any skin type. You want to make sure that you learn color theory. You don't have to have every range and color of foundation. Learning your tones and your colors. Color theory is important because you need to learn how to mix foundations, because if you don't have someone's shade and they may be like a dark skinned person or a super pale person and you may not have that shade, you have to learn how to add a lighter color or add a white to make that foundation fit, tailored to that specific client. You don't want to be out here on a set or on a job and not have enough product or have to borrow product from someone else, because that can be highly embarrassing and it also can cost you your jobs. One other thing when building your kit, if you have gotten a job with a retail cosmetic company such as MAC or Sephora, Ulta, they have something for their employees, most companies, called gratis. And gratis is when you tend to get sometimes monthly or every other month, sometimes every other week, depending on your company, you will get a package or a bag of free products from that particular company or different companies within that store that is sold at your location. So what this is they want you to get these products for free so that you can try them out on yourself, so it better helps you to sell their products to your customers. So you want to take full advantage of this when gaining your own makeup collection as well as with your kit. Once you get familiar with yourself and you gain your confidence in yourself and your professionalism and your skill, the kit will be easy and you're not going to stress yourself out all the time. You want to get familiar with all the different products. And once you get familiar with different products and learning what works for you, then choosing new products will be easier. And you can say, oh, okay, yeah, that came out, but I don't really need that, or that's too much. You will know how to be selective and how to budget even more once you become familiar with products. Stick with what works for you. Don't rely on someone else or a friend telling you that you need this, you need that. You will know when you become confident in your artistry. Also, try new products. When you're trying new products, do not go to a job and you just bought something in the store and you're going to try it on someone, because you can mess up your work like that. You want to try everything new on yourself. Try eyeshadow, try foundation, try liner, anything, lipstick. You want to make sure that it works for you before it can work for anybody else. You do not. So as I come to a close of this video, just remember my key points. Be smart with your money and budgeting when building your kit. Be selective and objective when gaining information from others and when you're on your other jobs and observing different things. Also, the main thing, be confident. Be confident in you. You got this. You can do this. Be confident in your work, your skill, your technique, and just remember, nobody is perfect. Nobody is better than the other. We learn every day as artists, as creators. So just keep that in mind and keep those things in mind when you are starting out your business, building your kit, and any other aspect of this industry. And definitely, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave me a comment below. If you haven't, please subscribe. Click that subscribe button and then go over to the right corner and click that bell so that you get all the notifications. Also, remember to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be down low. Have a happy Thanksgiving.